Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you fix Windows 10 lagging and slowdown problem. So for that, at first, in your Windows search bar, search for settings. Just search for settings and go to your settings app. Now just go to privacy. Now in your privacy, just turn all this option off. All you need to do, just turn all this option off. So turn it off like this. Now from the left side, just go to any option and turn all this option off. Just like go to location and turning location off, camera off, microphone and voice activation will be turned on, and every other thing will be turned off. And after that, just restart PC and it will work. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.